Welcome back, One Hot Biters. We are making something so much fun today. We're gonna make a phyllo dough pizza. So we're gonna use phyllo dough sheets, not the puff pastry, so it's gonna be layer on layer on layer on layer of crispiness. In between each of those layers is gonna be cheese. We're gonna use 3 different kinds of cheeses. We're gonna use feta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. So, and some seasoning. So we're gonna throw that together, we're gonna layer it, and we're gonna top this with fresh basil, green onions, and fresh tomato. So this is, you can have it as an appetizer. You can make it a main entree. You can really do anything you want with this, but it's so cheesy, and all those different cheeses bring so many different flavors to it. And the fresh tomato and basil just kind of pull it all together. Let's make our cheese filling first. Before we even get started, you guys, welcome here. I love that you're all here. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I really, really appreciate it. I feel like we've had a lot of fun here. And please subscribe down below. Give me some likes, give me some comments. I love chatting with you all. So let's get rolling. Okay, so we have our cheese mixture all done. We're gonna set it aside, and now we're gonna work with those delicious, thin, gonna turn into the crunchiest little layers. So let's get our phyllo dough out. Our phyllo dough sheets all thawed, and they're in this little bag. Then we just have a cookie sheet and cooking spray. And of course, we've already made our filling. So now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna layer these beautifully. So our oven is preheating at 375 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and lightly coat our baking sheet with cooking spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and get our sheets going. Okay, so we're gonna carefully unroll our sheets, and they're super delicate. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut all these sheets in half. Okay, let's bring our cookie sheet over. So we're gonna take one little sheet and it's lightly coated with cooking spray. Coat each sheet with a little cooking spray. Here's number 2. Number 3. Okay, here's where we're going to add 2 tablespoons of our cheese mixture. And just kind of spread it out as even as you can. All right, here we go again. 3 more layers. 1, spray, 2, spray, 3, cheese. We're gonna do this 5 times. Okay, this is our 5th layer. We're gonna do only 2 sheets this time. 1, okay, we're gonna spray our last layer. Another 2 tablespoons of cheese. Okay, we're gonna thinly slice our tomato. We want to get rid of any moisture, as much moisture as we can. So we're going to put all of our tomatoes on a paper towel. We're gonna pat it dry. We need to add our remaining cheese on top, like any other pizza. And pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, all out of the oven. We are gonna go ahead and add some of our fresh basil on top, and then we're gonna try it. Oh boy, we did it again. A beautiful appetizer for the summer, the winter, the fall, the spring. It doesn't matter when you have this, it's gonna be delicious. So let's give it a bite and you guys can hear how crunchy and amazing this is. So, here we go. The feta cheese is right there. The fresh tomatoes still taste fresh. All the fresh herbs are there. This is so rich and delicious. Honestly, 1 or 2 slices and you are done. So this is fabulous. So thank you guys so much for being here. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. I love you all. Make sure you have the best day ever. Put a smile on your face and enjoy each moment we have. So I will see you guys Thursday. Make sure you drop in next week. I'm making an Asian noodle bowl that you will never forget. So make sure you tune in on Thursday.